Hello my dear students, I warmly welcome you to CR's digital classes. In this video, we are going to see the introduction of the topic laws of indices. So let us go. The laws of indices is nothing but some simple laws. What are these laws? So first of all, first law states that if a to the power of n into a to the power of n, then it should be written as a to the power of m plus n. For example, we have 3 to the power of 1 into 3 to the power of 3. What should we write for this? We have to write it as 1 plus 3, which is 3 to the power of 4. In the same way, a to the power of m divided by a to the power of n is a to the power of m minus n. For example, here let us take the same example, 3 to the power of 1 divided by 3 to the power of 3. Then what should we have to do? 3 to the power of 1 minus 3. That is equals to 3 to the power of minus 2. In the same way, the next rule states that a to the power of m whole to the power of n, then it should be multiplied as a to the power of m into n. For example, 3 to the power of 4 whole to the power of 2, it should be written as 3 to the power of 4 into 2, which gives us the answer of 3 to the power of 8. These are simple laws, but we have to remember these laws. Coming to the next law. So now, it is also an important law. What is this? If anything to the power of 1 is itself. Let us take an simple example like 37. 37 to the power of 1 gives me a value of 37 itself. Any number 67 to the power of 1 is also itself 67. And in the same way, anything to the power of 0 gives me an answer of 1. So for suppose 37 to the power of 0 is 1. In the same way, 67 to the power of 0 is 1. Anything to the power of 0 is 1, but anything to the power of 1 is itself. So coming to the next laws, a by b whole to the power of m can be written as a to the power of m divided by b to the power of n. For example, we have 3 by 4 whole square. Then what should we write? We should write it as 3 square divided by 4 square. 3 square is 9, 4 square is 16. Coming to the next rule, if a to the power of m is equals to, if a to the power of minus m, then what should we write? We have to write it as 1 by a to the power of m. For suppose I have a value of 9 to the power of minus 1. Then how should I write it? I should write it like this, 1 by 9. In the same way, 3 to the power of minus 2 I have. What should I have to write? I have to write it like this, 3 to the 1 by 3 to the power of 2. So coming to the last rule of our laws indices, it says if a to the power of x by y, then it should be written as yth root of a to the power of x. So let us see this in an example. For suppose I have 21 whole to the power of 3 by 2. How can we write this? First of all, what I will do is 21 to the power of 3 whole to the power of 1 by 2. I am writing it like this. Then whenever I find a value in power as a fraction, when it is either it is 1 by 2 or 1 by 3 or 1 by 4, how should we write it? We have to write it in the square root or cube root or any root format. So I should write it like this, square root of, because we are having 1 by 2, square root of 21 to the power of 3. In the same way, 7 to the power of 4 by 3 should be written as 7 to the power of 4 cubed root of 7 to the power of 4. So these are some of the laws in our laws of indices. 3 to the power of 4 whole to the power of 5 is equals to 3 square whole to the power of k. Then what is the value of k? Now let us solve. 3 to the power of 4 whole to the power of 5 is equals to 3 square whole to the power of k. Here this is in the format of a to the power of m whole to the power of n. I can write it like this, a to the power of m into n. So let us write 3 to the power of 4 into 5, that is equals to 3 to the power of 2 into k. Now, after observing this equation, I can say that both the bases are equal. Here, left side and the right side, bases are 3. If in an equation the bases are equal, then the powers should also be equal. If the bases are equal, then the powers should also be equal. Then 4 into 5 is equals to 2 into k. Then the value of k is 4 into 5 divided by 2. 2 2s are 4. Then the k value is 10. So our answer is 10, which is our option 1. Coming to the next question. 3 to the power of x plus 5 to the power of y is equals to 8. So let us write this equation. 3 to the power of x plus 5 to the power of y is equals to 8. Can I write 8 in this way? 3 plus 5. Can I write it? Yes, there is no objection with it. And also 3 to the power of 1 and 5 to the power of 1. Can I write it like this? Yes, because anything to the power of 1 is itself. Now, comparing this with the left side, 3 to the power of x plus 5 to the power of y. After comparing, I can say that x is equals to 1. In the same way, y is also equals to 1. I have got the values of x and y. Let us substitute these x and y values in this second equation. If we are getting the same answer, which is 52, then our x and y values are correct. So let us substitute. So 3 to the power of 1 plus 2 plus 5 to the power of 1 plus 1, because I have substituted x and y as 1. Now 3 to the power of 3 plus 5 to the power of 2. 3 cube is 27. 5 square is 25. 27 plus 25 gives me an answer of 52. So our x and y values are exactly correct. Now let us substitute in the required equation. So 1 cube plus 1 to the power of 5. 1 cube is 1 and 1 to the power of 5 is also 1. 1 plus 1 is 2. So our answer is 2, which is option B. Coming to the next question. Let us see here. If a to the power of 5 whole to the power of x is equals to 1 by a to the power of 10 whole to the power of 5 is equals to a root a, then what is x square plus 4y square? So let us solve this. What I will do is I will take both of these equations and equate them. Now a to the power of 5 whole to the power of x is equals to 1 by a to the power of 10 whole to the power of y. I can write this as a to the power of 5x, and this value can be written as a to the power of minus 10 into y, because 1 by a to the power of 10 is equals to a to the power of minus 10. Now if the bases are equal, then the powers should always be equal. 5x is equals to minus 10y. Now x upon y is equals to minus 10 upon 5. Okay, 5 ones, 5 2s. So x is equals to minus 2 into y. I have sent that y value to right side. Now x plus 2y is equals to 0. I have got a value of x plus 2y is 0. Now squaring this, x plus 2y whole square is equals to 0 square. 0 square is always 0. So a plus b whole square. A plus b whole square is a square plus 2 into a into b plus b square is equals to 0 square is 0. Now x square plus 4xy plus 4y square is equals to 0. Now sending the plus 4y to right side, I am getting an answer of x square plus y square is equals to minus 4xy, which is our answer. Here he asked what is the value of x square plus 4y square. Our answer is minus 4xy, which is option D. Coming to the fourth question. If 2 to the power of x is equals to 4 to the power of y is equals to 8 to the power of z, and x into y into z is 288, then what is the value of x plus y plus z? Now let us equate this. 2 to the power of x is equals to 4 to the power of y is equals to 8 to the power of z. Now 2 to the power of x is equals to, can I write 4 as 2 square? 2 square, 2 what? Because a to the power of m whole to the power of n is equals to a to the power of m into n. In the same way, 8 can be written as 2 cube, then z. Now if the bases are equal, then the powers should be equal. X is equals to 2y is equals to 3z. Now let us equate two values. If x is equals to 2y, then I am getting a value of x upon y is equals to 2 upon 1. So x ratio y is equals to 2 ratio 1. Now equating 2y is equals to 3z. Y upon z is equals to 3 upon 2. Then y ratio z is equals to 3 ratio 2. Now I have got x ratio y and y ratio z. Now let us find x ratio y ratio z, a combined ratio. X ratio y, y ratio z. So x ratio y is 2 ratio 1, 3 ratio 2. So here 1, here 3. X ratio y ratio z is equals to 2 3s are 6, 1 3s are 3, 1 2s are 2. So x ratio y ratio z is 6 ratio 3 ratio 2. So these are ratio values. Whenever I have to convert the ratio values into normal values, I have to give them a multiple, a common multiple. Let us give them a common multiple of k. Then x is equals to 6k, y is equals to 3k, z is equals to 2k. In this particular line, he said that x into y into z is 288. Substituting here, 6k into 3k into 2k is equals to 288. So dividing it with 6, 6 4s are 24, 6 8s are 48. In the same way, 3 2s are 6, 6 8s are 48. Then k cube is equals to, because we are having here 3 k's. So k into k into k gives me k cube. K cube is 8. Then the value of k is 2. So value of k is 2. Now what is he asking? He is asking for the value of x plus y plus z. So x is 6k, y is 3k, and z is 2k. So 11k. So value answer is 11k. 11 into 2, k value is 2. So 11 2s are 22. So our answer is 22, which is option 4. Thank you very much for watching this video.